guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get teddy bears in Heartopia. So you are able to get them from like the furniture shop. You can actually get it from Bailey as well. Depends on how good your cards are. Now I don't like bird watching, so I don't know what I'm gonna get from her, but I think if your bird watching cards are like really good and they're like 3 stars maybe, you're able to get a teddy bear. So let me just submit my info cards here. So talk to Bailey and then select the submit info card. If you cannot do that yet, you do have to be like level something. I don't remember, but I'm going to submit all of my info cards. They're all 2 stars up. Hopefully I get a teddy bear, but let me see what we got. Okay, we didn't get a bear, but I think it's because you need like better stars to get it in order to like get it. So yeah, if you try that, let me know. If you try it with like better cards, let me know. But I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.